Yebo ma. Ngicela ungiphe 10 minutes after lapho ngizokunaka. Uthi ucabanga ukushaya ibhrayi? Ungasifaki thina abomakhelwane mase bakuloya. Nayi iplug. No, yazi niyenzani? Pheka ikhabishi ngamafutha wevors. At least lapho kuyabekezeleleka. Manje nentuthu ngapha ibhrayi, ayi bazosiloyela into engekho already. Lapho leshebo sithole balungile. Okay. Sanibonani, football lovers. Welcome to BKS Sports with Bonginkosi. Ngaze ngikhohle. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Ongekho kahle, hopefully ukuthi uzoba kahle. Yeah. It's giving. Angazi ngiqale phansi or ngiqale phezulu, but ngizoyiqala anyway. So, people are still hoping that Kaizer Chiefs confirmed the signing of Tshegofatso Mabasa from Orlando Pirates after that saga yokuthi unfollow delete yonke into emhlanganise Orlando Pirates. What if Mabasa has other plans? There's another move away from South Africa because now on the market South African players are in demand, especially from North Africa. Uye lapha kuma-Russian, Saudi Arabia le kude kwelase Arabia lapha kwi-Gulf. But Kaizer Chiefs obvious nabo the one of the team that they can confirm ukuthi there's a possibility ukuthi ukumsign ngamsign, but only if this happens. We know ukuthi we have Ashley Dupreez and Tashreeq Morris, and both these players are getting limited game time, especially breadwinner yethu Ashley Dupreez. We know very well ukuthi since the arrival of coach Nasreddin Nabi, he wasn't the favorite and he was off form, missing sitters as usual, but that's not the case. But I'd say ukuthi style of play of Nasreddin Nabi didn't accommodate him. So since coach Kaze and Ben Yusuf are students of coach Nasreddin Nabi, nakanjani nabo eyabi philosophy, if they are using continuity, they are continuing where coach left off and they implement some of their things. Nakanjani he will be affected. But one thing that affected his game, I think it's the passing of his father. May his soul rest in peace. Because psychologically, I don't think Uti is in the right state of mind to be enjoying his football. Because I think iqhaza melalibambe uHenek Gerege ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abakhansele labafana bethu, because it can take a toll, especially if you are fond with a family member. But for now, we know that in football, even though football players are human beings, nabo, they do get emotional and nabo, they have feelings. But professionalism must be applied at its level best. So nakanjani, it is expected to Ashley Dupreez abuye perform, because izimo zonke zehlela abantu emhlabeni. Same thing with uPule Modi naye after the passing of her mother. But now the only thing that needs to be done is for them to take their focus and put it on the football field, because that's where they do the magic. But now we know very well there was a rumor that there's a team that wants Ashley Dupreez in Portugal, but it wasn't that concrete. So simply means kuti mabaribari. But the important thing kuti if Ashley Dupreez and Tashreeq Morris get to be released, there's a high chance ukuthi they can sign Mabasa, because we have many strikers. Number one, we have Silva, Ikodaro, Mayo, Bartman, Tuba, Dupreez, Morris, Naledi Hlongwane. So even Chiefs, if they have to make a decision, why bring a striker while you have many strikers? And some of these strikers haven't hit the ground running. Once they do that, maybe at least the options will increase or decrease, because it will depend on whether the team is doing well, it is getting the results that are desired. But for now, I think we have to dismiss the fact that Kaizer Chiefs might sign Tshegofatso Mabasa, because number one, you must bear in mind ukuthi as a club, even though we might sign a free agent, but what matters is that salary package that they come with. If you are demanding a lot of salary, it simply means ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs must make sure ukuthi they see ukuthi within the bracket they can accommodate you. So if they can sell 2 players, it means minus 2 players, bese they sign another player, bese they can manage with bangabhadala. But now the important factor is, let's forget about the game model ukuthi modern strikers they will suffer because it is too demanding. We are expected to cover a lot of ground, do a lot of stuff. Instead of scoring goals, you must help with build up, you must drop deep, collect, help the team defend. If you don't score, you can assist. But if you look at the game model of Ucheho Mabasa, it's not that typical of a striker. But give him supply, he will surely bang in those goals. So it simply means that if Chiefs release Ashley Dupreez and it also releases Tashreeq Morris, it simply means they can sign Mabasa without having to consider many things. But right now, the important thing is to allow our strikers that are there at least to see if they can score a minimum of 10 goals or register at least the double figures, especially for Flavio Silva, because he's the one that seems like he's promising. But I also like the input of Khanyisa Mayo on the Ukotaro. And the good news is that Wandile Duba, as there was a video of him circulating in the internet, he scored a goal when Kaizer Chiefs were playing a friendly match. Simply means that the confidence yakhe iyabuya kancane kancane. But angeke rely kulo because friendly matches are different from matches that are official, especially knowing very well ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ibhekwe ngelinyiso. Any team would want to defeat Kaizer Chiefs, not because Kaizer Chiefs is a team to beat, but they want to silence the noise coming from us as our fans. But the important thing is that we have to be realistic when it comes to such situations, because even Kaizer Chiefs, they don't just wake up and decide, okay, we're going to sign this player. They do a proper research, background research, and then they do a profiling. And then they see, okay, is it a correct player? Is it the right player? Do we need this player? Or is it because we are signing the player because of the noise? So the importance of Utera Maliwa at Chiefs, it don't be seen now. But starting from next season, that's where you will see he has changed things around at Naturen. Decisions now are not abruptly taken, but it's all about making sure that we see all the risks, sit down with the sporting director, because that's what the sporting director does to a club. It's all about continuity and minimizing the risks. Kaizer Chiefs signing a free agent is their strategic way of recruiting players without having this is a risk. Just imagine signing a player that is 60 million rands and then the whole season he registered only 2 goals. You say that's a risk. But it's all about you making calculated moves and decisions. So for Mabasa, chances for him to be signed by Kaizer Chiefs are very slim. Mancane ngathi amathuba omsebenzi eSouth Africa, but asikho lapho. Tashreeq Morris is another player I'd say with the Naturena awudunisela udabs, because if you can see now in terms of appearances on the bench, he's leading. Even Matlo naye got rescued. But akusinto nje singathi sithi sichoma ngapha. But the important factor is that I don't know, maybe he didn't get enough game time, or the coaches are not favoring him, or the pressure is weighing too much on him. So the best thing is to release him permanently. Durban City wanted to sign him on loan, but they ended up not taking that decision because Kaizer Chiefs were reluctant to release him. Now he's sitting on the bench. Yes, we understand the season is still long. There might be injuries, but just imagine in all of these strikers, where do you put Tashreeq Morris in the list? Bekhalelu Bartman at least ugcina iyenze day. But let's be realistic. Mabasa his only chance ukuthi asayine Kaizer Chiefs it's if Kaizer Chiefs releases. It's either these two players I've mentioned or one of them. That's when Kaizer Chiefs can sign him. Nakhona if they see ukuthi there's a space for him, there's a need. Yabo. I don't know, what do you think? Akekho waziyo mhlawumbe umashonisa obolekisana ngemali makwenzeka ukuthi ungasayikhokhi instead ukuthi afunane nawo aduba ingala angasayifuni imali yakhe. Hey ngabe usize kakhulu. Angibuzeli mina, ngibuzela umngane. Ngithemba ukuthi nisese sharp. Ngiyabonga if you have made it this far on the video. Sobonana ku video landelayo. Ikhosi aliphila umoya.